Welcome to Tech Electrical, the channel that educates you on everything concerning electricity, safety, savings, and smart tips for your home and workplace. Is your circuit breaker always tripping and cutting off your power? Don't ignore it. Your breaker is actually trying to protect you. Reason number 1. Overloaded circuits. When you plug in too many appliances at once, the breaker senses the extra load and shuts off to prevent overheating. Reason number 2. Short circuits. This happens when a live wire touches a neutral wire. It causes a sudden surge of current that your breaker must trip to stop, or else sparks and fire can follow. Reason number 3. Ground faults. When electricity escapes its intended path and touches the ground or metal, your breaker instantly shuts off to protect you from shocks. So, the next time your breaker trips, don't just flip it back on. Check what caused it. Sometimes it's a simple overload, but other times it's a warning sign that you need an electrician's help. If you found this explanation useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Electrical, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more electrical safety tips. Stay safe, stay powered.